Welcome back to News 19 at 6. We do have that weather impact alert, and it is going to be affecting everybody in the Midlands to one degree or another. What we know for absolutely sure is that our temperatures in the morning are going to be bitterly cold. The snowfall potential is increasing, but not for everybody. I'll say that again. Not everyone's going to see accumulating snow. What we really don't know is, again, how much snow is going to be actually accumulating and where the highest total locations are going to be. But it is interesting to see that our temperatures for afternoons are not going to be that warm. We're supposed to be at 57 degrees. We're not going to be anywhere near that until the end of the week. And when I'm talking about 38 degree, 37 degree afternoons, that's not accounting for a little bit of wind. So it is going to feel brutally cold from morning to night through Thursday midday. The sun is set over the Midlands. It is a pretty start to our Monday evening. It is pretty cold right now. It's 37 in St. Matthews, 36 in Camden, 34 when you get out to Newbury, Winnsboro, and Saluda. Well, right now in Saluda, it feels more like 30 degrees. In Bishopville, it feels like 31, even though the winds are light. And it gets worse when you get further north. Get up to Atlanta. Okay, football games tonight. Anybody's tailgating, it feels like 17 degrees outside. In Greenville, it feels like 24, as well as the Queen City, Charlotte sitting at 24. Asheville sitting at 9-degree wind chill. Yeah, no, nobody wants to deal with that. But the skies are clear for us. If you notice, though, out to the west, there are patches of snow showers, not a lot, in portions of Texas, Oklahoma, and now getting into west central Arkansas. All that will be heading our way. As we go through the next several hours, we'll have clear skies. Overnight, we'll start seeing clouds out of the low country. That'll start moving into the Midlands, but the clouds will be coming in from Georgia, so by morning we'll be partly cloudy. Then we're going to be increasing the cloud coverage, but notice 1, 2 o'clock, nothing. It won't be until the afternoon that we'll start seeing maybe some of the precipitation start to move in. We'll cover that in just a second. But our morning temperatures, we're expecting lows in the upper teens to low 20s. That's the air temperature. The wind chill could feel like 17 in Saluda, 16 in Newbury, 11 at the airport and in downtown Columbia. Well, afternoon high temperatures, we're looking into the mid to upper 30s. That'll be pretty much by the early afternoon, and then the possibility of snow start coming into especially our southwest, south central, and southeastern Midlands by the afternoon. So as we get to about 4 or 5 o'clock, we'll start seeing some snowflakes, not a lot. I don't expect the snow to start picking up until about 6 or 7 o'clock. That's when we'll start seeing more snowflakes. Any accumulations will start by about 7 to 8 o'clock, but this is 8 o'clock. Snow is falling in the Midlands. By 10 o'clock, everybody to the north of I-20, any snow that's come down is done. By midnight, snow, if it's coming down, is tapering off. And then as we get to Wednesday morning, before the sun rises, the skies are already starting to clear. So it's going to be a very short-lived event. We're looking at maybe the possibility that everybody on both sides of I-40 could see maybe a trace to almost an inch, but then everybody along I-95 could see maybe an inch to an inch and a half, maybe a little bit more. Well, Wednesday morning, again, we're going to be at 21 degrees in the morning, a high of 37. Thursday, 17 degrees with a high of 41. As we stay in the 20s Friday into the weekend, high of 48 Friday, 52 Saturday, 58 on Sunday, maybe a chance for rain on Monday. Erica, as we get to a high of 55 degrees.